Hello everyone, welcome to Willa Dean's Cooking. Today we're going to have a warm spinach salad. I have some fresh spinach here. I have some bacon that I'm going to cook off in the oven. We have an egg that we're going to fry for the top. We have some onions. We have some eggplant stew that we're going to actually add on the top of the salad as well. We have some cilantro for additional flavor. And I have some smoked sea salt in here with some black pepper. So, spinach and smoke goes well together. We have bacon in this salad as well. So it's going to be a flavorful dish. I'm going to get this all put together for you, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. So this is a nice light summer meal you can fix for you and your family. I hope you enjoy my recipes, and thank you for viewing.